Hey guys, this is Sydney, and in this video we are going to discover some promotional materials in the OLSP system. So first I want you to go on the desktop version right here to the dashboard, and you can go to commission. Just click on this drop down button and you will see the commission generator right here. Click on this drop down button again, and now you can see promote live events and promote evergreen offers. Click on that one, and now click on promote evergreen offers one more time on top here. Okay, click on that one and you can just scroll down, and now you will see the marketing materials right here. So basically you can see these as some sales page for the OLSP system, and what you can do is to, for example, I'm looking for the mega link bishop angle right here. Okay, so just click on link, and in here you will see there are the materials that you're looking for. You just need to scroll down. Okay, you can watch these videos, you know, the 4 steps right here, and just scroll down. Now you will see this is the description for the mega link, right? And you will see the series of the funnel that they are building. When you send the mega link for people, it will go first by the mega link, and then it will redirect people to the mega messenger. It's the one-time offer. Okay, and then we got mega builders and team builders for the upsell. And then just scroll down, you will see there are several materials that you can take. Okay, so here the series, people get in, they buy the mega link, and they will get the mega messenger, and they might get the mega builders or team builders. Now just scroll down, here you go. Okay, so these are the emails that you can get. Okay, these are the emails, day 1, day 2, day 3. You can just click on this drop down button to see all of these emails. Okay, just see what you can take from here. Day 5, day 6, day 7. This is the social post for promoting this product. So you can go to, you know, our done for you, you know, you see this one, okay, done for you post, right? I already make a lot of posts here that you can join in, and you can copy and you can make some changes. So you know, it's better for Facebook engagement. But you can also go here and you will see some social posts for promoting this product, and you can just see there are many of them. Okay, here just click on this drop down and you will see you can copy this one. See, there's several of them that you can take right here. Okay, now this one is pretty short. Okay, pretty good, right? Okay, so you can just go there. Okay, and you see there are banners for it right here. There are many of them. Okay, just scroll down and you will see. Okay, so that's it. This is a really legit system with so many marketing materials, and you also get a lot of my bonuses as well. I don't know what you're waiting for and not getting on this product, because you know, I love the part when you can just make 28 comments and your $7 is back. It's really simple, guys. So if you need any help with this system, feel free to message me on my Facebook right here. Okay, facebook.com dailypaysite. And this is Sydney from WorkWithSydney.com. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.